which is extremely necessary for their own safety.
Wadhinyime romo maitayo kod duol makedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC mar tiego apisas mag counties e wi kedo kod mibadhi dhi nyime e boma ma Eldoret e county ma Uasin Gishu. Apisas mag EACC puonjo jotije mag county mopogore opogore kaka yor kedo kod mibadhi e kor gwenge ma Thurka. Mibadhi en achiel kuom kuonde ma ikone osethiro dongruok e pacho ka kendo thiro chenro mowinjo chop ne jopiny. EACC geto kedo kenge mag neno ni mwandu mag jopiny mochwal ne counties otiyo makare kendo jiwo dongruok e kor gwenge kokalo kuom bidhruok mar jotich mag piny owacho.
Focus today is tools and strategies for prevention of corruption. And given that we have the top leadership of the county government here, we want them to clearly take up the message that they have to lead the fight from the front. So our focus today is to equip the CEC members present with the necessary knowledge and tools and skills on formulating corruption prevention policies and plans and putting in place mechanisms, structures, systems to prevent corruption.
Seem to target, from our knowledge, they seem to target so much on the devolved units and the governors and the operations in the counties. But now they're teaching us that the more we know about their operations, the more freer we are to work with them.
It's a vice that cuts across the entire nation, and therefore we must have a strategy that addresses the corruption from the national level and be cascaded to the ground level.
Something that the EACC has done is really to have that integrity anthem, to teach people values about having clean government and being clean themselves. I think it's good that you actually publicize that integrity anthem in the newspapers, and it should also be run in radio stations, because the word tuungane pamoja tuangamize ufisadi is very important as a value for Kenyans.
Wasudo nyako Ramogi wadhi nyaka weche motendore kod mago ulai